Hello children, welcome to our EVS class. Today I am going to teach 4th lesson in the first unit, use of electrical appliances and care. Use of electrical appliances and care. So do you know what are the electrical appliances? What are the electrical appliances are there? Electrical things are there in your house. So many. Yes. Fan, television, fridge, mixie grinders, washing machine, water heaters, rice cookers. Yes, we are using so many tube lights also. We are using so many electrical appliances in our houses. So here, now and then we hear about the deaths of farmers when they are working with the motors. Yes, we read in the newspaper, newspapers, and we see in the televisions also. Yes, so to prevent that, we should know about the electrical appliances. We should know about the electrical appliances and what are the precautions we should take. What are the precautions we should take and what is the first aid? So if we don't know about the electrical appliances, then there is a chance to get the electric shocks. And if we get the electric shock, that is very dangerous and that leads to the death of the person also. As children, so what are the precautions we should take? So while working with the electrical appliances, we should wear shoes or chappals with the rubber soles. అంటే అడుగు భాగము రబ్బర్ తో ఉన్న వాటిని వేసుకోవాలి. Why? Means the earth also get the electric shock. Means the current passes through our body to earth. So when we are doing work with the electrical things, we should wear chappals or shoes with the rubber soles. And do not use any broken electrical appliances. Means wires తెగిపోయినవి అలాంటివి ఉంటాయి. ఏం కాదులే అనుకుంటాం. But we should not use that broken electrical appliances. And before doing any repairs to the electrical lines means some people they work. So electrician, they work on the lines, no? So before doing the repairs on electrical lines, first put up the power supply. And do not allow the children to go near the electrical appliances. And next one, do not insert fingers in a switchboards. Do not insert fingers and hairpins, safety pins, screwdrivers. Okay, don't keep in the electrical switches. And do not use loose switches. Or switches without proper insulation. Insulation means that prevents the flow of electricity. Insulation means what? అంటే కొన్ని వస్తువులు ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీని పాస్ చేయవు. సో అవి ఉపయోగించాలి మనం. అవి ఉపయోగించకుండా స్విచ్ బోర్డ్స్ ని ఉపయోగించొద్దు. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్? So here, what are the precautions to be taken to avoid electric shocks? Wear shoes or chappals with rubber sole while handling electrical appliances. Do not use any broken electrical appliance. Before doing any repairs to the electrical lines, cut off the power supply. Do not allow children to go near electrical appliances. Do not insert fingers, things like nails, screwdrivers, pins, etc. into electrical switches. Do not use loose switches or switches without proper insulation. Next, what is the first aid? If any person affected with the electric shock, move the person away from the shock by using the dry stick. Or plastic material. ఎండిన కట్టెను కానీ లేకపోతే ప్లాస్టిక్ మెటీరియల్ కానీ ఉపయోగించి అతన్ని షాక్ నుంచి తప్పియాలి. మనం క్యాచ్ చేసి లాగామనుకోండి, డోంట్ పుల్ విత్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్. If you pull with your hands, you also get the electric shock. So we should use only dry stick. Endina karral. Malli pachi karralu kuda electric shock ante electricity ni pass chestayi. Malli iron rods avi kuda electricity ni ante current ni pass chestayi. So if we use iron things to remove the person from the electric shock, we catch now that the iron rods are wet cloths or wet sticks and పచ్చిగా ఉన్న కర్రలు కానీ పచ్చిగా ఉన్న క్లాత్ కానీ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో వాళ్ళని దాంతో మనం క్యాచ్ చేస్తాం అనుకో ఏమవుతుంది మనకు కూడా షాక్ అనేది వస్తుంది. సో టు ప్రివెంట్ ద ఎలక్ట్రిక్ షాక్ we should use only dry stick and plastic material. ఇవి ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీని పాస్ చేయవు వాటి నుంచి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, do not touch him directly. Don't touch with your hands. Do not use any metal rods. Put the main switch off immediately. Put the main switch. Now MCBs are there, no? So that we should immediately. Next, provide him artificial respiration and take him to a doctor for immediate treatment. Provide him artificial respiration. We should give. So if there is a possibility, you give artificial respiration and take him to a doctor for immediate treatment. So see here. First aid. Move the victim away from the wires by using a dry stick or plastic material. Do not touch him directly. Do not use any metal rods. Put the main switch off immediately. Provide him artificial respiration and take him to a doctor for immediate treatment. Means he can't breathe. When he got electric shock, he can't breathe. So if he is not taking air, then there is a possibility to die. Atanu respiration breathe cheyaledu anko adi chanipotadu kada. So we should give artificial respiration. Kontamandi మూతి పెట్టేసి గాలి ఇస్తారు కదా, సో అలా ఇవ్వడం మనం దాన్ని ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ రెస్పిరేషన్ అంటాం. అదర్వైజ్ ఇన్ హాస్పిటల్స్ దే కీప్ ఆక్సిజన్ మాస్క్స్. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, దట్ ఇస్ ద ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ రెస్పిరేషన్. అంటే ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ గా బ్రీతింగ్ ఇవ్వడం, ఆక్సిజన్ ని ఇవ్వడం. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ లెసన్. సో యూజ్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ అప్లయన్సెస్ కేర్. Nowadays, we are using many electrical and electronic appliances in our houses. Now and then hear about the deaths of farmers working with electric motors in the TV or read news of similar deaths. So the knowledge of electrical appliances is necessary. Electric lamps or tube lights, television, electric cookers, fans, washing machines, fridges, mixies, grinders and electric motors are some of them. If we are not careful while using them, we are prone to receive an electric shock. Prone means susceptible. There is a chance to receive an electric shock and it may be fatal and leads to death. It causes death. Precautions to be taken to avoid electric shocks. Wear shoes or chappals with rubber sole while handling electrical appliances. Do not use any broken electrical appliance. Before doing any repairs to the electrical lines, cut off the power supply. Do not allow children to go near electrical appliances. Do not insert fingers, things like nails, screwdrivers, pins, etc. into electrical switches. Do not use loose switches or switches without proper insulation. First aid is given to a person who has received an electric shock. Move the victim away from the wires by using a dry stick or plastic material. Do not touch him directly. Do not use any metal rods. Put the main switch off immediately. Provide him artificial respiration and take him to a doctor for immediate treatment. Okay children, this is your lesson. Okay, we meet in the next class.